This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about display stands, specifically these clear tech display stands. And we have several pieces to show you. There is the 5-tier acrylic pyramid buffet stand. It's 9 3/4 inches square for the largest one, and when stacked together, the 5 pieces are 9 3/4 inches high. And you can use them stacked up or as individual pieces. We have the acrylic buffet stand. It's a 3-piece set. And the largest dimensions on this are 15 3/4, 11 3/4 by 6. And you can see it's these great 3 risers that you can use together or separately to create nice, varied, multifaceted displays. We have the 3-tier Eiffel Tower food display. It's 14.5 by 14.5 at the bottom, and it's 27 1/4 inches tall. It makes a nice vertical presentation that's perfect for those Paris-themed birthday parties, baby showers, or bridal showers. We have the 3-tier buffet stand, and I like that this one folds up and disassembles into a nice, flat, neat little display that's really easy to transport and also easy to set up. It gives you that nice tiered look that's staggered back and makes it really easy for people to grab the foods and access them, but also makes it really easy for your employees to restock as well. And finally, we have the buffet display stand. This one is 10 by 10 and 4 3/4 inches high. It's a nice single pillar style stand that could be used for a variety of different treats, both sweet and savory. So you can see this line features a lot of unique shapes, styles, and sizes to help you create height and depth and interest in your food displays. It's all crystal clear acrylic, which is stylish and also durable. It's going to work with a variety of different decor and color schemes. And some of these pieces, as you can see, can be used individually or together to create lots of height, structure, and stacked effects. They're easy to assemble, lightweight, so they're easy to use even during crowded events. They're perfect for the display of apps, small bites, and desserts. So these are a fantastic option for caterers, party planners to use on buffets in restaurants or hotels, or just at home for your next event.